Hello students, I am Sasibhushan Mishra, available to teach trigonometry. This is the last chapter of trigonometry. The name is trigonometric equation and its solution. Like algebraic equation, we can also find the solution of trigonometric equation. So just see, there are three types. In type 1, there may be sin x is equal to sin alpha. If sin x is equal to sin alpha, there is a ready-made formula, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. This is the ready-made formula where n is a member of integer always. If cos x is equal to cos alpha, x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Again, alpha is the member of integer, tan x is equal to tan alpha, x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Alpha is a member of integer. Again, for all these, sin square x, cos square x, tan square x is equal to sin square alpha, cos square alpha, tan square alpha. X is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So, on the basis of these types, we will answer the various question and its solution. The first problem, first of all, there are two type of question. Find the general solution. Find the principal solution and find the general solution. This is the general solution. If nothing is told, you have to find out the general solution. So, solve means find the general solution, find the principal solution. For the same problem, sin x is equal to half and sin x is equal to half, we have the principal solution as well as the general solution. General solve. Solve, nothing is given, it means you have to solve the equation. So, just see, this is a first pattern, sin x is equal to, first of all see the principal solution. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of sin 30 degree as well as sin 150 degree. Since sin 30 degree is positive in first quadrant and sin 150 degree is also positive in first quadrant. So only two values in second and third quadrant, sin is negative. So not possible to have the value of sin x is equal to 1 by 2 in third and fourth quadrant. Since in third and fourth quadrant sin is negative, all students, all positive in first, a student means sin positive in second. So we have got the two values, these are called the principal solution. If need, you can change it to radian. Again, now out of two principal solutions, we have to select first. Just see. Select the first principal solution. It should be noted by you. Sin x is equal to half. So, sin x is equal to half sin 30 degree. Half is 30 degree is the first value. The starting value you have to take. So, take this 30 degree. 30 degree. Not 150. This is the general solution. This is the general solution. So, we take the first value, never second. Likewise, in the second question, there are two scopes for minus root 3. Minus root 3 means tan 120 as well as tan 330. Since we know that tan is negative in second quadrant as well as in fourth quadrant. But in first and third, tan is positive. So, out of these two values, we have to select this 120 and 120. So, the first principal value to be selected from to answer the question when the general solution is required. So, this is sin x is equal to half. So, sin x is equal to sin 30. So, x is equal to, copy this, n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. Alpha is 30. Put the value of alpha, 30 pi by 6. N belongs to integer. So, this is the answer, general solution. Likewise, solve this. So, tan x is equal to tan 120 degree. So, x is equal to n pi plus 120. Just see this pattern and answer the question. Like 120 can be changed to radian. Solve cos x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Just see, minus root 3 by 2 are the two values of cos 150 and cos 210. Cos is negative in second quadrant as well as in third quadrant. So, these are the two values. We have to select 150, the first value. The first value we select from this side. First value, whatever the first value may be. So, you have seen how we find the principal solution and the general solution. Now, and the formula will remain same, and the problem is being removed from the board. Next problem, we are moving towards the next problem. Just see the next problem. Principal solution and the general solution both are known to you. Now we are moving towards the another problem. Just wait for a while. Yes, see now. Now according to this pattern, now I am going to follow this. What will be the problems related to this 4 sine square x is equal to 1. There is some problem, so due to humidity a lot, solve this. The meaning of solve means we have to find out the general solution of this. So let us see. Sine square x 1 by 4. This is sine square x 1 by 2 whole square. Everywhere sine of implies. Now 1 by 2 is the value of sine 30 degree. So this is sine square 30 degree. Or you can write sine square x is equal to sine square. Now this is the 30 degree. 30 degree is called pi by 6. Sine square pi by 6. So follow this formula. According to this pattern, x is equal to this. Solution n pi plus minus pi by 6, where n is the member of integer. So this is the solution, general solution in this format. If you are interested, you can do this in another in first format. This is the main formula. Main. Suppose this is not known to you, you can answer this question with the main formula. Just see 4 sine square x minus 1 is equal to 0. It can also be done by the main formula. This is the main formula. Remember, the main formula never fails. Main. The main formula never fails. Just see. Carry minus 1 to this side. Now factorize this. 2 sine x whole square minus 1 whole square 0. So 2 sine x minus 1. A plus b into a minus b. 0. So it means 2 sine x is equal to 1. 2 answers. And 2 sine x minus 1. So sine x is equal to 1 by 2. You have seen today how this is answered. So we can write here sine x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of sine 30 degree. So sine 30. So follow this formula. X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into 30 degree. So this, where n is a member of integer, this is the answer. Now come to the second. So sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So sin x is equal to, now see, minus 1 by 2. Sin is negative in not in first quadrant, not in second. So 1 by 2 is sin 210 degree. Sin 210 degree in third quadrant, sin is negative. So x is equal to n pi, same formula. This time n has been used. Now write m pi plus minus 1 to the power m into 210 degree. You can convert this 210 to radian, 32 radian. So the final answer will be n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into pi by 6. And here m pi plus minus 1 to the power m. 210 is 7 pi by 6, where m belongs to integer. So even if this formula is not remembered to you, still you can answer the question. My children, good luck. Try to share among all those students who are the students of class 11 new, who appeared CBSE board this time in 2020. Thank you. We meet again.